Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Xiaomi Mi Outdoor Bluetooth speakers. So let's take a look. Taking a look at the box itself, we've got some specifications at the back which we'll get to in a minute. But first, let's get unboxing. Okay, so inside we can see right away you've got the speakers themselves. They're pretty small and compact, and we've also got a charging cable which is micro USB, and we've got some documents here. This is the user manual. Is there anything else inside the box? No. So let's keep the speakers aside and take a look at some of the specs on these. So we've got a rated impedance of 4 ohms. We've got Bluetooth 5.0, which is good. Wireless range of 10 meters, which is pretty standard. The music playback time of 20 hours is pretty good. That's not bad at all. And well, yeah, that's about it for the box itself. We've got a battery capacity of 2000 mAh, not bad. And is there anything else over here? Nope, that's about it. Oh, we've got an IPX5 Splash proof rating as well, which is good. And it's also compatible with voice assistant, which is pretty good. Now let's take a look at the speakers themselves. Okay, let's get them out of this wrapping. As you can see, there's a little band here. It's actually kind of elastic, so that's pretty good. Let's get that out. Okay, so here we have the speakers themselves. They've got a little cloth fabric like mesh on them, which is very nice. It actually looks pretty nice. It's got a nice black color, and the base here, the base has a bit of a rubber lining on it, which kind of makes it quite grippy when you put it on surfaces. That's pretty good. We've got a little, okay, yes, in here you've got a 3.5 mm slot, and you've got the micro USB slot for the charging cable. Was there anything else in there? No, doesn't look like it. Okay, here you've got the volume controls. You've got the increase and decrease buttons, and on the other side you've got the power and the pause and play buttons. Other than that, yeah, that's about all there is to the Mi Outdoor Bluetooth speakers. Thanks for watching.